guys, this is Jacob with North Idaho Rock School. Wanted to give you our update video for the month of January. We are in the middle of the month of January. I'm a little bit late on getting this to you guys, so I do apologize. I wanted to share with you some things that's going on this month, and then I'll look ahead towards some things going on in the month of February as well. Before I do that, I want to just thank you guys so much for an incredible end of the year last year. We were able to donate a few boxes of food to our local food bank. So thank you guys for donating that. And then we also were able to raise some toys. We did a toy drive through Toys for Tots, which was an incredible time. And you guys got some double punches and your punch cards, and it was just an awesome time. So thank you guys for being so generous and just giving and giving. That's what we're all about here at North Idaho Rock School, is changing lives through music. And so I just want to thank you all for that. We have a bunch of new stuff going on that we need to kind of let you guys know about. And one of the first things, just some housekeeping things, is that we are changing our billing date to the 25th of the month for the month coming up. So for instance, this January, we're gonna be billing on the 25th for the month of February. So you guys got billed for on the 1st for the month of January. Now going forward, you'll be getting billed on the 25th, about a week prior. So just wanted to let you guys know that, so that if there's any issues, you let us know. We can maybe hold the billing just for a little bit for you guys. I know it's kind of a weird transition, but in order for us to be able to pay our bills on time and everything, we gotta have that money processed a little bit earlier. And so thanks for being patient and willing to adjust with us as we're growing like crazy. We have doubled our numbers since the beginning of September. So we're up a little, right around 200 students. And so huge thank you to you guys for that. It's been an incredible ride, and I'm excited to see what the future holds. Along with the growth that we've been having, we've hired a few new teachers, so you've seen some new faces in here. We have Riley, who is really taken up the bulk of my students, and so it's a sad transition for me as I focus more on our group classes and have to give up a lot of my own personal students. And so again, I'm grateful for you all kind of bearing with us in this season. We also have Carson, who started to take some students as well for guitar. We also have Lena, and she's Nobi's sister, who's starting to teach piano and voice as well. So really excited about just, we'll have a few more teachers on board as well, and then months to come, and it's just been really incredible. So if you see them, say hi, and if you have any questions on anything, just feel free to ask them. They're really knowledgeable and amazing people. We're gonna be doing an order for merchandise here pretty soon, so if you're interested in getting a sweatshirt, hat, a beanie, anything that you're just interested in getting with our logo on it, let us know. We're gonna be putting an order in the next couple weeks. And so if you have not received your free basic tee yet with your registration, you'll be receiving that hopefully in the next month or so. But let us know if you're interested in getting a pre-order on any of our merchandise. We will also be growing our retail side of what we do, and so we're gonna be calling it the Rock Shop. I know you guys have seen it probably a little bit here already, but the Rock Shop is going to consist of not just method books. We're going to grow that, but we're also going to have strings and guitar strings, straps, perhaps some instruments in the future, but guitar picks and stuff like that. You can start getting your accessories and your gear here, tuners and whatever, a lot of guitar related stuff, but as we grow, we can expand that more and more as well. We also have some new programs starting up this month that we're really excited about. We have KidzRock, and this is a group for kids aged 4 to 7, and it's for students who've never played an instrument before, and they get an opportunity to learn all the different instruments, guitar, drums, and keyboard, and they'll rotate and they'll learn songs together as a group, and our goal is to get them on stage and be performers up on a stage in a real rock band. So If you know anybody who's that age, let us know. We'd love to get them involved in that class. It's going to be incredible. We also have a few different guitar classes for absolute beginners and intermediate as well. And so if you or someone you know might be interested in learning guitar in a group setting, we're going to be launching that here in the next couple weeks. We do have a goal of launching our modern band class. So students that have been with us for a while and want to be in a rock band, we're going to be having an interest meeting in the middle of February. Would love to have you be part of that interest meeting. Shoot us an email just to kind of give us a gauge on if you're interested in that. What it would require is that you are in private lessons and then also have a weekly 1 hour rehearsal. And so you'd be committed to 2 days, potentially a week here, but it would give you an opportunity to be in a band with other students. So it'd be really, really awesome. This is really for students who are between the ages of 8 and 12. And it can be for absolute beginners or people who are more advanced. So just let us know if you're interested, and we'd love to get you on the list at least. We also want to let you know that there's going to be an adult band that we're putting together as well. So if you're over the age of 18 and you want to be in a band, let us know. We're going to be launching that on January 31st. And so it's going to be on Monday from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock p.m. It's going to be a ton of fun. And if you're interested in that, if you're an adult and maybe you had a rock band way back when you were in high school, or if you've never been in a band and you want to just try it out, we'd love to have you. And so yeah, January 31st is going to be when we do that. At the end of the month, the last Saturday of this month, we're going to be doing our Busking for a Cause. This is going to be at Lyfe Cafe. This is formerly Calypso's. Some people bought Calypso's and they're rebranding to Lyfe Cafe, and so we're going to be able to get in there and do some performances. It's going to be a ton of fun, so make sure you come to that. Remember, it's just like an open mic type of thing, so you just come half hour before it starts at 12:30 at Lyfe Cafe in Coeur d'Alene and get signed up to perform a song or two. Also, want to let you know that spring break is coming up. Spring break, we're going to put a pause on our private lessons, and we're going to be focusing on group classes and camps. So if you're interested in pre-registering for some of our camps we got going on, it's going to be really, really cool. We got some modern band stuff, KidzRock, we got some group piano, and then other workshops. Josh is going to do an electric guitar workshop, kind of teaching you how to put together your pedal board. There's going to be a ton of stuff that we're going to be doing. So if you're interested in signing up for that, let us know. There's going to be pretty limited space, so make sure you let us know as soon as possible. All right, so at the end of this video, thanks guys. I know it's been a long time, but the last thing I want to say is that we are changing just a little bit our reward system. You're going to get 1 punch for attending your lesson, and then you'll get 2 punches if you've practiced 3 or more times in a week. The best way to communicate with us that you've been practicing is actually through the student portal on MyMusicStaff. There is a practice log, and so our teachers are going to start looking at that to see if you've been logging your practice throughout the week. And so really encourage you, highly encourage you to utilize that so that our teachers can see that you are being honest and you're getting through it. Remember, you want to practice more than 3 days a week, but that's kind of the minimum to get those 2 punches. And then the third way you're going to get punches is by performing either at our Busking for a Cause event, Epic Music Festival, Halloween concert, stuff like that. Or if you want to post a video of you performing, you just got to tag North Idaho Rock School on social media or on YouTube or whatever, and send it to us so we can give you some extra punches on your punch card that way as well. I know that was a lot of information. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. We'd love to chat with you more about what's going on in this community and about how you can be more involved in North Idaho Rock School. Thank you guys. I hope you stay happy and healthy, and we're excited to see what the future holds for you and for us here at North Idaho Rock School. Thanks guys.